What's good, what's good? Alright, we're gonna talk about two things. I'm gonna try to multitask what I'm talking to y'all, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to roll this blunt, read this paper, and give it to y'all all in one sitting, alright? So look, today's talking points, we're gonna be talking about lust and ego. See, lust and ego, that's something that we bring with us from our childhood, you know what I'm saying? These are adolescent emotions, you know what I'm saying? I'm not saying that you ain't supposed to have lust or have ego. I'm not saying that because you're gonna have it. But you need to understand how that works as a man, you know what I'm saying? So look, check this out. Do you even know when you operating out of your ego? Ask yourself that question. Have you ever learned how to pinpoint that emotion or pinpoint when you operate out of your ego? Have you ever known, you know what I'm saying? Check it out. It's a balance point between your ego and your spirit. Your spirit, that's the guiding source, you know what I'm saying? That's the guiding source, guiding you. It's guided, got the guiding source that's layered in truth. All right, so your spirit is being guided by truth. You get what I'm saying? All right. So the question is, do you know what the truth is? Or are you confused? Do you have understanding? All right, so moving forward, check it. Your ego should only be used for one thing. For one thing only, your ego. That's for applying effort, putting forth effort. You know what I'm saying? In balance with your spirit. So ego is for effort, you know what I'm saying? And spirit is being guided by truth. So the ego in balance with the spirit is putting forth effort to get shit done that's being guided by the truth. You know what I'm saying? Moving in spirit and ego simultaneously. That's duality, divine mathematics. So anyways, once your ego is used correctly, you'll be confident, able to lead, and operate out of a humble command. You know what I'm saying? Now, we can get real deep into this. I can give y'all the ins and outs, get it real thick up top so you ain't never got to worry about that again. But we just gonna, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do this right quick lesson. So, that's that, you know what I'm saying? You can rewind it, listen again. But now, moving on to lust. Lust is also an emotion, an adolescent emotion, you know what I'm saying? The young kings, they always lustful, always trying to hump on something, you know what I'm saying? Like jackrabbits and shit, you know what I'm saying? But as we become adults, we bring these child mentalities into our supposedly grown up mentality, right? So as a man, you're not supposed to be lusting like this. So look, first off, lust is an addiction, pretending to be a craving, all right? It's not a craving. It's pretending to be a craving. It's pretending. It's an addiction, you know what I'm saying? Straight up. All right, so look, as a man, a grown man, you are only supposed to want to feel some type of way. Like a feeling, you're only supposed to want to feel some type of way 25% of the time. 25% of the time. 25% of the time. All right? So check it. That being said, the other 75% of your time of being a man should be based off of facts and logic. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. Just think about it. 75% of your time should be based off facts and logic. And then the other 25% with that facts and logic is that you feel like operating out of facts and logic. If you just want to think about it in the best way, positive way possible. But you know, sometimes facts and logically is other things you should be doing. You know what I'm saying? But lust, if you are lusting, that's just your being with 25%, like throughout the day. Let's just say throughout the day you doing your thing. You should only be feeling like that 25% of the time. If that. I wouldn't put all my feeling into lust. Now, if all your feeling being put into lust, you really, really got a bad addiction. You know what I'm saying? So, check it. That being said, lust equals sin. Sin equals imbalance. Imbalance causes cloudiness. And cloudiness leads to potential consequences. You know what I'm saying? Cloudiness leads to potential consequences. Imbalance causes cloudiness. Sin equals imbalance. Lust is a sin. All right? There you go.